Hi there, and now we are learning, or we are in the session number 3. Today we are going to talk about a little bit about virtual reality, and this method is really meaningful. Students have experiences in another level, and it is going to create experiences very different than just learning in a theoretic way. We're going to see this video together, and I'm going to share with you some kind of information while this video is playing. Okay, virtual reality is a simulated 3D environment that enables users to explore and interact with a virtual surrounding in a way that approximates reality as it is perceived through the user's sense. Okay, this environment creates another experience for our students. They enjoy playing with virtual reality, and they even have resources. They even have materials or elements just to have fun. But how about if we take that advantage and apply it in our classrooms? Makes learning different, makes the process more interesting, and of course meaningful, because they are familiar with virtual reality just for video games, but now we can apply it for education, and that makes another kind of experience. So this is virtual reality for our students, and we as teachers need to apply them in our classrooms. Collaborative virtual reality is sometimes cited as a type of virtual reality. In this model, people from different locations come together in a virtual environment to interact with one another. There are some video games in which people from different countries get together. They build communities. They build like a town, like a small city, and they take roles. So they create communities, online communities, while they are having fun. But they are working collaboratively in a virtual reality environment. So this is technology in all its word, in all the words. Technology is helping us to learn from others, and now with virtual reality we can have meaningful experiences. And so this is virtual, with each individual represented by a project 3D character. So there are some characters in the process of learning, and that makes this teaching learning another kind of experience. Then we have something else about virtual reality, because there's to create our activities. So there are different platforms like YouTube VR or Nearpod or even ThinkLink. We can create activities there. Okay, the users typically communicate through microphones and headsets. If we use VR LAN, so we are going to be involved in the context. And with the use of elements like microphones and headsets, we can create another experience. And also students are going to be more involved in the experience while they are learning. So that's the advantage of method, and we really need to know what is it about. And there are some advantages of this method. One of them is like we can create. We're going to go back to the previous one. Okay, the advantages of virtual reality creates the real world around us. It can transform the way of education, which is provided nowadays. It can be also used in industries, medical security, military, anti-terrorism, traffic accidents, awareness. So it has a huge advantage. And now we can see that it is applied in medical, military, because the experience, the environment is like a real world. So that's why it is really helpful for us. More advantages of this method is that creates the real world around us. It can transform the way of education which is provided nowadays. And as I said before, it is like the environment, like we think like, oh, this is real. We feel like we are in the environment, and we learn from these experiences. So thank you for watching this video information. This is virtual reality, and then you are going to see some platforms that you can use, and also what activities you can create with the platforms. Now take by yourself this method and apply it in your classrooms.